to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a little haul of the stationery that we bought. I particularly like buying stationery, but I didn't get too much this year because I didn't go to school like at all last year. So I have pretty much all the highlighters, pens, everything that I need. I have it already. I just got a few bits and bobs, so I'm going to show you that. And then I'm going to give you a little grocery haul afterwards. So let me show you the stationery and then we'll move to like some food and meat and stuff. Okay, so I'm starting this side today, which is a change of scenery. But yeah, the first thing that we have here is 2 of these document pouches. I thought these were really cool. These are like a leathery material, and there's like this bag belongs to section, which is super cool. You can put anything in there really. And then at Typo I got the sticky notes and page marker set. It has the appointment, the due today reminder, and take notes, and then the urgent, which is really what I got it for. And then there's don't forget, and all of these little speech bubbles and like these strip ones. So I thought this was really like, I'm gonna get a lot of use out of that. I got 25 what are these, plastic pockets. And then I got this very super cute Hello Kitty pencil case, and I have a few things that are mine here. Literally 90% of all these things are my sister's. So this is mine, that's mine, and the document pouch is mine, that's mine. Then everything else I'm going to show you is my sister's, and I'll tell you what else is mine. She got a math set. She got 2 packs of pencils, 2 packs of pens. It's a lot of pens. She got the same pencil case as mine. Super cute. A ruler, a little notebook. This is pretty cool. I love binded books. She got 3, 4, 5 of these with files. Another pack of pens, another pack of pencils, and this set of charcoal pencils. She's an art student. And then she got, what are these? Oil pastels. She got this pack of pastel highlighters, 2 clear tapes, a pack of white paper, like printer paper. She got these pastel fine liners. These are really cute. 2 of these presentation files. This rainbow book, which is so pretty. Love it. I didn't get it because it's not binded, but it's not really a problem. Like pretty solid. So yeah, this is so cute. And then the envelopes. So I got 100 envelopes because I want to do like the savings thing that I saw on TikTok. And then my sister and my mom got 50-50, and they'll get more as they go along. So 2 packs of examination pads. There's 3 in each pack. And then she got 3 books. And then my mom got this brown pack of envelopes. My sister got this visual jotter, which is basically like a visual diary, but like not a hardcover. I got these tapes. These are basically sellotape, but they're glitter ones and they're so pretty. I love this pink one, but like I could totally use those. And then at Typo, we got all of these pens. So I got 3 of these black ones because they write really nicely. I really enjoy these. These ones, I got 3 black ones. I really enjoy them. I have a purple, a pink, and a blue one. I got permanent markers. There's 5 in there. Invisible permanent write-on tape. This packet of tissues. And then my sister got these 3 pens from Typo. Orange, red, and black. And then I got this paint marker, the gold one, also from Typo. This is really nice on black paper. So yeah, that's all the stationery that we bought It's not a lot because we really don't need that many things. I will show you what I have upstairs just now. We got a few stuff, mainly meat, so I wanted to show you because someone did ask me to show like the meat prices and everything. I'm going to show you that, but we got a few other stuff as well, so let me show you that as well. So we went to Pick n Pay and Woolies. I'm going to show you what we got from Woolies first. The first thing that we got is this Korean style barbecue pulled pork buns. I think that's bao. These look incredible. They look like little tacos. Then we got rosa tomatoes. We got peppers. And then I got this roast chicken, bacon, and pasta wrap. It sounds really nice, and the pasta is orzo, which is pretty cool too. Never had orzo. And then I got strawberry and mint flavored sparkling water, and then I got my green tea because mine ran out. And then at Pick n Pay we got potatoes, bread, and then one more thing from Woolies, we got a rotisserie chicken. And then Pick n Pay, potatoes, bread, and then we got chicken breasts. These are 128.08, and there's 18 pieces in here. We got how many of these? Six of these 8-piece drumstick and thigh sets. It's 4 drumsticks and 4 thighs, and you can see the prices on all of them. And then this one, and that one, and then that one. Then we got 2 of these 4-piece thigh packets. It's almost 37 bucks, and then this one was 36.24. And then my mom got 2 packets of Nicks because she bought gizzards when we did groceries. This was 21, and that was 19. So that is everything that we got. While I have you guys here, I didn't vlog the other day, but I picked up some stuff from Pick n Pay. Let me show you quickly. So this is my little bowl that I keep all my drinks in. But this is what I picked up from Pick n Pay. I've never had a Hug in a Mug before, but like cinnamon bun, give it to me 1,000 times. I love cinnamon, ginger, like anything like spicy. Love it. So I got that. And then this, I've had the little sachets before. It tastes amazing. I already know, so I'm excited for this. Like super excited for this. Each box comes with 10 sachets. So yeah, I haven't had any yet. But yeah, and then here's my green tea. I think I have like 1 pack in there. Then I have this watermelon cold infusion, hibiscus petals, and the sweet cream on. I haven't tasted it yet, but I know this one's amazing. Okay, so this is my little stationery drawer. I have a ton of stuff. I have a ton of pencil cases. Don't ask me, okay? They're all filled with things. Don't be fooled. They all are filled to the brim with specific stuff. Anyway, this drawer is quite packed. I've got tons of pens and pencils, color pens, coloring pencils for my adult coloring book, stickers for my planner, which I didn't buy. I need to go get that. Tons of like books. I have this book that I used last year for university, like for what, a week before we closed. And then I have exam pads down here and another book down there. So this drawer is packed to the brim. I have highlighters, lots of little books. That's a bullet journal, which I've never used. So yeah, my goal this year is to use the stationery that I have, because evidently I have a ton of it. So I'm in my room right now, as you can see. I have my 100 envelopes. I have 100 envelopes here that I am going to write 1 to 100 on. And then every week I'm supposed to pick 2 envelopes to fill. And then, yeah, I'll fill them up. And then by the end of the year, I'm supposed to have about like 5,000 Rand. And if you want to double that, you can just put double the amount that's on the envelope. So if I pick 50, I'll have to put 100. And if I pick 100, I have to put 200. You know what I mean? If I pick 1, I have to put 2 Rand instead of 1 Rand. Or you know what? Like, you can jazz it up however you want. But if you just stick to 1 Rand to 100 Rand, you should get 5,000 Rand at the end of all of it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. I have my marker here, but I saw that they use like really anything. You can use highlighters, you can use a pen, it really doesn't matter. Okay, I have 50 down, 50 more to go. And you can like decorate the envelopes, you know, make them look very fun. You can get like different colored envelopes. I know that they have colored envelopes, and you can get 10 different colors to make it like really fun and pretty. But yeah, I'm gonna do the last 50 and then I will come back. Okay, so this is 100 envelopes and I want to jazz the front up a bit. So I'm going to go backwards from 100 all the way to envelope number 1 and like make it cute. I'm going to take out all my stickers. You know, we're getting crafty up in here, okay? Okay, so it is literally so much later. That took like an hour. It felt like an hour. I didn't check the time, so I don't really know. That took a lot longer than I anticipated. But all of them have a little doodle on them or some like encouraging words or, you know, just random decor, crafty stuff. Now I'm gonna mix them up. First I'm gonna pack this up, then we're gonna mix them up, and then we're gonna like pull out the 2 for this week, because if I'm not mistaken, this is still the first week of 2021. So I'm gonna pack up here and then we're gonna shuffle and put them, find somewhere to put them. Okay, so this is the current situation. I think they're pretty shuffled. I tried as hard as I can to like shuffle them. Okay, so now I'm gonna stack them together and find somewhere to put them. So I have all 100 envelopes here. They're shuffled and everything. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put an elastic around them to hold them together. And then anytime I take one out to fill it, it will not go back into the elastic. So this is how these ones are gonna be held. And since today is Friday, I'm gonna pick the first 2 envelopes to fill. This is so scary. Oh, we got 26 bucks. And we got 9 bucks. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try and do the double, which should give me like 10,000 rand at the end. So I'm gonna, instead of 9 rand, I'm gonna put 18 rand, and then instead of 26 rand, I'm gonna put 52. Yeah, so this is fun. Let's keep it going. Hopefully I remember to do this every week. I'm actually gonna write it on my planner. I want this to be the first thing that I do every time I get my allowance. So I will take out the 2 envelopes for that week and just get it out of the way for that week. Hi everyone. So it is the next day. We went to Pick and Pay again because we wanted to get some more meat. It was priced really affordably, so we wanted to go get some more trays. So I'm just gonna show you this quick little haul. Let me show you what we got. Okay, so I got 2 chocolates. My mom got herself a fat cake with mince. We got barbecue sauce, all gold, some sweetened almond milk, a packet of bananas, and then we got summer crisp lettuce. We have a cucumber here, and then we get into the meat. We have these burgers. These are really good. We like these a lot. And then we got mince. That's the price. Back here we have 2 packets of chicken feet. There's the other one. Then we got 5 of these 8-piece chicken trays. It's 4 drumsticks and 4 thighs. So these are the trays that we got. This one's 41. We got some chicken schnitzels, the crumbed ones, for almost 80 bucks. 40, 42, and another 40. So that is everything that we got today. Combined with yesterday, I think it's a pretty good amount of meat. So we'll see you guys later.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your